Chapter 1, Introduction to Law and Business Law. Law. Law is defined as a rule which regulates the human actions. Characteristics of law. Law consists of a rule. It is a rule of the external rational human beings. It is developed, issued, or enacted by state. It is enforced by state in the administration of justice. It is backed by sanction or punishment. It treats all persons in the same situation equally. It regulates human actions by three ways, that is, prohibitory, mandatory, and promissory. It is pervasive in nature. The function of law is to keep peace by maintaining law and order situation. The aim of law is justice. Classification of law on the basis of territorial limits, national law, international law, on the basis of nature of law, substantive law, procedural law, on the basis of subject matter of law, public law, private law, on the basis of an individual's duty towards society, criminal law, and civil law. Sources of Nepalese business law. The sources of Nepalese business law can be studied by dividing them into two categories. Binding sources of law. It includes legislation. It is the law made by parliament or law making authority. Precedent. It is an earlier decision of the Supreme or Superior Court which is taken as a rule of law and followed while deciding the later cases of similar facts. Customs or uses. It is the rule of particular way of behaviors of people in a given society which has been following the greater number of people continuously from a long period of time. The essentials of customs are immemorial antiquity, certainty, consistency, reasonability. Agreements or conventions. It is a contract between two or more parties do or not to do something in a specific manner. Persuasive sources of law. It includes decision of foreign courts, the principles of foreign law, opinion of experts, jurists, textbooks, journals, periodicals, etc. Rules of morality and religious books. Meaning of business law. Business law is a branch of civil law or private law which makes certain rules for business transaction. Importance of business law. It provides legitimacy, peace, and security. It regulates the business transactions directly or indirectly. It is involved in making, shaping, and enhancing the business activities. It provides such a ground in which the lawbreakers are to be punished and law abiders are to be awarded. It establishes the business ethics of a business entity and its social responsibilities. It guides in the area of establishment and operation of a company and provides the provisions to carry out its internal management. It protects the industrial interest and the national interest. It creates the various institutions to provide incentives and facilities to the investors. It tells us what kinds of business in what manner can be carried out in a given country. It creates the various law enforcement organs to hear and decide disputes arose in business community. It guarantees the justice or remedies to all involving in the business dealings.